Known as one of the most trusted crypto analysts in the field, Bitboy Crypto just revealed shocking news about Cardano CEO Charles Hoskinson. With this, make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video so you won't miss this very interesting update about Cardano. It seems that Bitboy Crypto is expecting a secret Cardano explosion that is brewing very soon. Ben Armstrong, also known as Bitboy Crypto, a popular YouTuber, recently expressed his opinion regarding the trend of Cardano. Additionally, according to Bitboy Crypto, Cardano's roadmap is painstakingly mapped out to keep bugs to a minimum by capturing any corner cases. Aside from this, their website describes Cardano as having been peer-reviewed and based on evidence. Moreover, Cardano employs a laser-like focus, meaning that they will be a lean and powerful machine, ready to take down their competition. Though I am bullish on Cardano, it's an understatement to say I'm excited about the project. Besides all the talk about peer review and decentralization, the creator of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, often mentions decentralization. Also, Cardano is attempting to help poor communities in the second and third worlds rise out of poverty. Some of the reasons countries like Colombia and Botswana are struggling is due to the lack of infrastructure to protect property. For instance, if the insurance companies or government only has a paper trail that dates back to when the last military coup wiped out all of the documents in town 5 years ago, then how can you prove that you own certain land or agricultural equipment? In addition, Bitboy said he bought Cardano when its price was around 15 cents, and this is when he saw its potential and invested heavily. So far, he has invested $1 million in ADA, and it has been a big success for him. Meanwhile, a conservative price prediction from Bitboy Crypto for Cardano in this cycle is 4 times what it is now, which would be $6.8. But here's the thing that makes ADA so ideal for a big pump. During this bull run, it has proved to be extremely resilient to price fluctuations compared to other altcoins. In addition, it has repeatedly smashed its all-time high. Also, he projects that ADA will hit $8 to $9 in the coming year, under his most bullish scenario. Following their discussion, Bitboy Crypto and Crypto Jeb both shared their reasons for being bullish on Cardano. Additionally, Bitboy Crypto notes that other similar projects such as Polkadot and Elrond also hold a place, and that the big focus is on the two giants of the crypto world, Cardano and Ethereum. Furthermore, Bitboy Crypto shared his thoughts on Cardano and also pointed out that he holds it dearly. And he also thinks that Cardano and Ethereum will continue to exist for a long time. He is also seeing now that some institutions are starting to look into Cardano, and he thinks there is a good reason for that. He also mentions that ADA has a maximum supply, unlike Ethereum, which is another positive comment about Cardano. Moreover, Jeb has concluded that Cardano can perform well in the long term. Hence, you can think of the entire cryptocurrency market as a single index fund that moves together. Additionally, a lot of these cryptocurrencies are correlated, so when Bitcoin rallies, the altcoins will naturally follow. And in fact, these altcoins are outpacing Bitcoin for now. Additionally, unlike Ethereum, Cardano has a maximum supply of 45 million coins. One of the reasons he loves it. The fact that Ethereum currently has no maximum supply means that it is subject to continuous inflation, unlike Bitcoin or in this case, Cardano. He added, however, that even though both of them invest in the coin, he still believes that Cardano will do well in the long run, especially since it has emerged from the price discovery phase it was in during the fourth quarter of 2021. The reason is that it has rallied up to $1.48, and he believes it will go much higher because of all the fundamentals. In the next 2 years, he believes it will go between $5 and $15. In fact, at the beginning of this year, he expects it to go as low as $2 or $3. Aside from this, IOHK and Cardano CEO Charles Hoskinson explained why he believes Cardano will be better than Ethereum 2.0. Furthermore, Cardano has been compared to Ethereum because of its simple design and more robust nature, according to Hoskinson. But what else? Despite the added complexity, he is skeptical that this will result in better throughput, greater scalability, and greater security. Likewise, the number of Cardano wallets has gone from 190,000 to 2.5 million in just 1 year, showing a steady growth of adoption of the network. In addition to this, perhaps this is in part because smart contracts have been implemented. As a result of the Cardano Foundation's recent data collection, the number of ADA wallets has increased by 1,200% since last Christmas. Approximately 780% of the cryptocurrency's price has been rising over the same period. According to Crypto Compare's recent asset report, on the Cardano blockchain there were 50,506 active addresses in October. Also, there was an overall of 216,072 active addresses in November. Aside from this, the CEO of Cardano Foundation, Frederick Regard, added that the success of the Alonzo hard fork, which introduced programmability to the Cardano ecosystem, has contributed to the growth of the Cardano ecosystem. In addition, it will be able to accept smart contracts and decentralized applications around which the decentralized finance or DeFi industry is built. Additionally, several platforms now support smart contracts, allowing them to become the first decentralized exchanges powered by Cardano. In his posting, Regard also noted that Cardano has formed new partnerships with several companies, including an esports platform rival, a fintech firm, UBX, and a non-profit organization called Save the Children, and as many as 70% of ADA's supply has been staked on the network, earning those holding it interest while they wait to launch new decentralized applications. In the meantime, Cardano may soon have a token burning mechanism. This seems to be what its content and recent status updates suggest in the Cardano roadmap. Moreover, Cardano's status update, part of an effort to release updates about the development of the network every week, shows that two of its teams are working on a mechanism for burning tokens. As stated in the report, the Adrestia team continued to develop a new transaction workflow so that tokens could be minted and burned. And it further said that the Hydra team is looking into the possibility of minting and burning tokens inside Hydra heads, along with other scenarios involving tokens instead of datums. Additionally, the Foundation is aggressively pursuing the integration of token burning as various teams are working on it. In 2020, Adrestia was launched to make integration and interaction with Cardano by other chains more seamless. Moreover, those on the team worked on developing web APIs and libraries aimed at making Cardano easier to use for developers. So how do you find this information by far? Perhaps we could have a conversation in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as well as subscribe to the channel as well. Meanwhile, Hydra Heads was recently launched on Cardano testnet, despite the theoretical paper having been published last year. Also, an overview of Layer 2 solutions aimed at improving network scalability and security is provided. Additionally, a process of deflation, token burns, are one way the crypto community uses to eliminate a certain amount of tokens from circulation permanently. Furthermore, the buyback process is similar to stock buybacks, and it usually increases the value of a token by ensuring scarcity. Also, according to Sentiment data, Cardano is among the 5 fastest-growing networks in the past 30 days. Nevertheless, the improvements and performance have yet to show up in the price, as it is still trading for less than $1 as we approach the 4th week of March. Further, the scarcity of their token is ensured through the implementation of burning mechanisms by many crypto projects. Some of these projects are BNB, Avalanche, Ethereum, Ripple Protocol, Shiba Inu, and many others. Since Ethereum implemented the EIP 1559 upgrade almost a year ago, this method has become increasingly popular. Then, over the past 2 years, the network has burned over 2 million ETH, the equivalent of roughly $5 billion. Additionally, a coin burning mechanism is also in place at BNB, which aims to reduce the total supply of the asset by 50%. Moreover, there are 2 types of burning mechanisms: quarterly burns and automatic burns. Then, quarterly burns have been in effect for some time now, and the network recently had its 18th burn. A quarter-end auto-burn mechanism, however, determines the amount of BNB that will be burned automatically based on the price and the number of blocks generated during that quarter. In addition to AVAX, XRP, Shiba, and Luna, other digital assets also use token burn mechanisms. Increasingly, this process is becoming the norm in the crypto industry. So, do you think this could impact Cardano's price to skyrocket soon? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. In addition to this, Cardano is also one of the best performers on the crypto top 10 by market cap over the last 7 days. Also, the market is dominated by proof-of-stake networks, while Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies follow behind. Also, rumors about Cardano's plan to implement a burning mechanism may contribute to ADA's price appreciation. Furthermore, the information shared by Hoskinson that there are over 500 projects on the Cardano networks suggests that the ecosystem is expanding since smart contracts were implemented. At this time, we all know that non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, dominate developments on this network. Native digital asset marketplaces trail at a much smaller scale, including decentralized exchanges, or DEX, Gamify, and wallets. Furthermore, he emphasized that this trend would continue as Cardano entered its third and most important phase, called Basho. Additionally, Hoskinson stated, "Moving the chains. A large wave will come after June when the Vasil hard fork happens. Potentially, this would support the continuation of ADA's current bullish trend. Do you agree with these updates about Cardano? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.